Good morning to my second grade class. Hey guys, it's Monday, May 11th, 2020, 5/11/20. Hope you guys enjoyed your special day with your mom yesterday. And happy Mother's Day to all my moms out there. I hope you enjoyed your day together with your children yesterday and took time to just stop and smell the roses. Enjoy your time together. Let's just go ahead and get started on going over Monday's work. Wanted to tell you guys this is your very last week of new work. So this week will be our final spelling test of second grade. And this will be the final week that we'll be going over new material. Next week, you will have 1 week of just review time of things that we've learned about, some things that we've learned about over the course of our second grade year together. And also just a couple of review assessments to just go over some concepts that we've learned and show how smart you guys are and how much you've grown this year. All right, so starting today, you will, week 8, May 11 through May 15. All right, you will find your flower pot writing prompts. There was enough prompts for last week and this week. So you will be using the same sheet in your new packet, all right? So pull this out, pick a prompt, and get busy writing in your journal. Remember to use your adjectives to make your nouns exciting and interesting, and also use your first, next, then, and last to get your 4 complete sentences in to your journal writing, all right? If you're in my math class, you're going to start with your mixed strips to 20. That's your math warm-up for the day. You guys are pros at this. Then we are going to do a chapter 2 number patterns review. And this is just a little review page for arrays, odd, even, skip counting, repeated addition. This is the little my review at the end of several chapters that we've done just recently. So you're going to work on this today, which is front and back. And all of this is going to just be going over what we've learned over the past several weeks together. All right? So do your best. Make sure that your word bank is here, that you're writing these words in correctly because they're spelled right here. So make sure you're writing them correctly when you're picking for your vocabulary. Then you're going to be writing some missing numbers at the bottom. You're going to be filling in the blanks to describe arrays. Remember, we've got columns and we've got rows, all right? Even and odd, you guys remember that. Even always has what? You can always put what number can be divided or is a factor of an even number. 2s, that's right. 2s are always going to be divisible or multiples of that number. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If it's in the ones place, if you have a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place, it's always going to be an even number. All right, so make sure you're looking in the ones place for your place value. Write the equal add-ins that make each sum. Again, those are just like learning our doubles. You're looking for those equal add-ins. And then find the missing add-ins. So you guys, this is review of everything we've been doing over the past few weeks. So do your best on this. All right. For spelling. All right. This is your word sort. So find your word sort page. Cut out your categories. Turn it sideways in your journal because it's going to be tight squeeze. I mean, you might be able to get it in that way. It'll be easier if you turn it this way. All right? So short E, short U, and short I. All right, so we've got 3 different families this week. Short E, short U, and short I, So make sure when you cut out your categories and you turn your words upside down that you're listening for which family it goes into. Short E, short U, or short I. And you need to say it out loud. I. And whatever the sounds are making when you say that word, you're going to sort them into that category. All right? So pay attention when you're doing this. Then you are going to cut out your spelling flashcards. Put those in a bag so you can use those later this week. Moving on to word work. All right, write a different compound word on each line. Use the word in the house and a word from the word bank. All right, so your word bank is down here in the bone, and your word house is here. So for example, our first house says room. So you're gonna go down to your word bank in the bone section, and you're gonna look for a word that you can make a compound word with the word room. Lunch room, oh, that one might work, that was the first one. Flash room, no. Body room, no. Fly room, no. Cracker room, no. Let's see. What about bath? Bathroom, is that a compound word? Yep, that's another one. So go through each of your houses and using your words here, match them up with a word down here in the bone and make compound words for each house. Got it? All right. Moving on to reading notebook and social studies. This is our last day of our continents and oceans unit. Today is the final day. So today you will be learning about the Southern Ocean. You will have a passage to read, underline or highlight interesting facts or things that you've learned. Color it on your big map, full-size map. Find the Southern Ocean and color that section. And then your small little, this one right here. Can you find the Southern Ocean? I see it. There it is. Color that section. And then you will do your word match and paste. So you're going to cut your words out, match them up to where they make sense and they make a fun fact, and then write in your very best handwriting that fun fact that you've learned about the Southern Ocean. All right. That's it. That's it for our social studies unit for oceans and continents. There is a page in here that you can choose to do some of it today, or you can do all of it tomorrow, but this will be science. We're going to be starting some science and finishing out on science for this week. So this All About Hummingbirds page, you can either start that today, okay, on Monday. You can read through it because you have to read it 3 times. Each time you read it, you've got to fill in the circle. So you maybe could just read through this today, and then tomorrow on Tuesday, you could read through it again and answer your questions, and read through it again to get those answers to those questions, all right? I'm gonna let you decide how you do the science. If you wanna start on Tuesday and get it done on Tuesday, that's fine. If you wanna start it today on Monday and do a little bit on Monday and a little bit on Tuesday, it's up to you, all right, guys? So this should be done by Tuesday. And then we will start on something else that is science related on Thursday and finish that on Friday. We will also be starting a new letter for handwriting. So be looking for that in the handwriting section. And I think that's it, guys. Oh, also I want to tell you, someone's birthday was yesterday. So hopefully that friend will join us on our community Zoom at 1:30 today. All right, we would really like to sing happy birthday to that special friend whose birthday was yesterday and turned 8. We'd really like for her to join us. Oh, I gave another clue. I said her. For community Zoom. If that friend, for some reason, cannot, then we'll have to figure something else out. So, join us for community Zoom, and we can sing happy birthday to one of our classmates, and then their name will be revealed. But you guys have a great day, okay? And hopefully we'll see you later. And if not, then happy Monday, mighty Monday. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.